You know, the fear of change is a very real thing. And it resides amongst us all as human beings. And at one point or the other in our lives, you know, there comes a time when it's time to make a change. But because the fear, this fearfulness resides within, you know, you don't want to make that change because you do not know what's out there. Listen, fear is just an illusion. It's all in here. You understand me? So that's why it's important to feed the mind things of substance, because that's the only way you'll experience growth. That's the only way you'll be able to do anything progressive. You understand me? Because you're feeding the mind things of substance. And, you know, I always say to people, it makes no sense to be sitting in a relationship, a partnership, a job, or anything that you're experiencing this huge magnitude of discomfort. But because you're so fearful of what's on the other side of what's out there, you know, you sit down. It's not good for your mental health. Because before you know it, you're not thinking straight. Your thinking is distorted. You know, your mind is all over the place. You cannot even sit down, formulate, strategize, evaluate, and assess. And when you can't do those things, then it's like you're useless. And you really don't get an opportunity to experience, you know, the fullness of life. So stop settling. Like, life is too short to be settling for mediocrity. So you have to understand that fear is an illusion and that you have to experience changes. You have to be a part of changes in order to experience changes in your life. Like, you cannot just sit down and expect things to change. It doesn't work like that. Nothing changes until you do. So get out of that abusive relationship. Get out of that job that's making you crazy. And I'm not saying to just get up and walk up and leave your job. You know, you have rent to pay, mortgage to pay, kids to take care of, and all that. No. You should be working on a contingency. And a lot of entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs, they'll tell you that they started their business because their jobs weren't treating them the way they were supposed to be treated. You know, they weren't treated fairly, and they knew that they deserved better. And the better that they wanted for themselves, they weren't getting it, so they created it. And that's the same rule applies for relationships. You know, you're sitting in relationships that you're unhappy. You're seeking happiness from this woman. You're seeking happiness from this man. But understand this, that happiness that you seek is only gonna come from within. You are the only person who can create that happiness. And that's why I say happiness doesn't reside in objects, things, or people. They reside within. And when you can condition your mind and make yourself happy, you understand, and contented, then you are on a level that it's hard for anybody to come and disturb your peace and your joy and your happiness. So understand that fear is just an illusion, and stop being scared. You have to go out there and experience certain things. Courage is within you. You are more than what you think you are. You can live limitless possibilities. They are out there to take advantage of them. Stop settling. Stop being uncomfortable. Stop being miserable. Stop all of these things, because all of these things are brought on because of fear. And fear is just an illusion, as I said earlier. You are bigger than this. You are better than that. Step out. Be bold. Listen, you never lose. You either win or you gain an experience. Either way, both wins for me. You understand me? So get up and go out there. Stop being fearful. You can do it. Life is too short to settle. Do not let fear cover you. Do not let fear scare you. You understand me? Because you are bigger and you're better than fear. On that note, guys, remember my book is on Amazon.com. It's called Raised. So go get your copy. It's a 31 days inspiration. I'll help you, you know, to navigate your way through life and life's hurdles and, you know, how to get over them. So just go grab your copy of Raised on Amazon. Thank you so very much. And remember, do not be fearful of the things you don't know. Step out in faith, because remember, faith is the substance of things hoped for and not seen. All right.